Living alone in Bangkok as a Filipino means a lot of little firsts. And since holiday today, tara explore tayo. I met up with my friend and we headed to Songwat Road. And grabe, ang charming ng place. If you're planning a trip to Bangkok, this should definitely be part of your itinerary. Lalo na if you're into cafes, hipster shops, perfume and scents, clothes, pottery, wall art, and good food. Parang every corner may character. First stop namin, Songwat Coffee Roasters. Cozy yung spot, although crowded, perfect pa rin to start the day with coffee and good vibes. After that, we tried siomai and bun from Gulong Bao. Simple pero nakakabusog. We explored shops like Copen and Clay Circle. We checked out ceramics, handcrafted items, and some unique finds. Ang daming cute and artsy details everywhere. Like perfect if you love discovering small creative spots. Songwat feels like a mix of old and new. May mga old buildings pero may artsy boutiques, good food, and slow but inspiring city vibe. And since bago pa lang ho dito, days like this remind me na dami ko pang pwedeng ma-explore. One train ride, one street, one coffee at a time, I'm slowly getting to know my new home.